Hi, this is Radhika, working as a senior architect in Verizon, India. My key responsibilities are analyzing, strategizing, and designing solution architectures around network service operations. I would like to thank GHCA for organizing this wonderful event for all the passionate techie women. So, for this GHCA 20, I have chosen artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science as my tracking area. In this track, my topic is about driving intelligence into 5G network slicing using deep reinforcement learning mechanism. Today, we know that the telecommunication industry is aggressively working towards bringing a 5G ecosystem, leveraging the emerging technologies like network functional virtualization, software-defined networking, cloudification, and mobile edge computing, etc. So, network slicing is one such promising concept which helps in dividing the common physical network infrastructure into multiple network slices logically to provide such a wide range of services. Because today we not only talk about smart phones, but we are already into the world of smart cars, smart homes, and even smart cities. So, network slicing helps in bringing such services dynamically. However, there are still challenges in enabling service and resource allocations effectively due to dynamic, extensive changes and lot of uncertainty in heterogeneous and decentralized network environments. As part of my research, I have come up with a deep reinforcement learning mechanism that can be applied to this kind of network slice environments. I will share what is a deep reinforcement learning mechanism, what are the advanced learning procedures which are already available that can be applied to this kind of network slicing environment to predict the quality of services of each network slices. I would be taking example of CV2X, that is a cellular vehicle to everything, because smart vehicles need ultra reliable and low latency communication services to read road safety measures. So, I will share how we can design and develop such DRL models which can help in getting trained, observe the network slicing environments, and process the derived network metrics along with external environmental factors and predict if there are any degradations in the quality of service of such ultra reliable and low latency communication services. The decision making would be super quick, and this kind of DRL model can provide recommendations to networks and vehicles so that vehicles can take necessary actions and avoid any road dangers. So, I'm very excited to present this topic. I hope to see you all there in the conference. Thank you all.